Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills mentaka sngi Shimtilang pynlong ki Khun Kynthei jong ka movement ban tip Shaphang ki hok pat ki Kamram Hapoh ka Imlang Sahlang kala pynlong ka seminar halor ka phang My Rights and Me as a Leader under Her World Her Voice. Ya ka seminar la pynlong ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai Hapoh ka jingpyniaid jong ka Dolly Lamare ka badai ka Assistant Organising Commissioner Guides ha ka bala sakhilang da ka Catherine Nongkseh STC and SOC Guides ka Dashimti Kharkongor ASOC-Guides bat ka Shimtilang Kharbuli ka badai ka State Project Coordinator State Headquarter Shillong nalor ka Lamisaka Lytan ka Vice Principal jong ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai kum kasembut kongsan bat umma W Lingdo ubadai State Secretary MBS&G State Headquarter Shillong kum ukongsan.
Leadership skills. Who is a leader here? Anyone? Okay, remember every one of us is a leader in one way or the others. Right? At home, you are a leader to your sibling. Right? To your younger sister and brother. So you know what role are you playing as a leader, right? So here we will help you to build your leadership skills. Then making an individual capable to understand and create and implement their own advocacy plan. Okay, so here it also enables you to make your own plan. Once you are a good leader, you will be able to plan. And after planning, you will execute your plan. Okay, and the next is, you will also have the guts, okay, the power, the guts to fight against the issue that you are facing in your community. Okay, remember, leadership will not start from big things. Yeah. Manda ong human leader dong, ong yang man principal ni man MLA yang man leader. Leaders start from small thing. Okay, sedang mayu kian, duduk ni yung, kado skor. Jo am jan human CR lah, di kelas represent.